and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarumbai bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Women and children participates joyfully in various games. NHPF addresses their appeal to the aim of Millennium. Yosir defeats Sidon Lumpadeng with 2-0 goals and 20,000 cash. And 2 more UDP candidates hails from Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. Maupiat Tolongpleng Sports and Cultural Club organized a sports event annually held in the village which is known as the Maupiat Tolongpleng Meet 2023 from the 2nd of January to the 7th of January 2023. There were 18 different kinds of games which included the run for fun, carom board, drawing and sketching, hit the tin, Mau point, penalty shootout, marble race, sack race, horse fighting, quiz, singing, skit, arm wrestling and drinking water. The games were conducted between 4 houses, namely Tirat Singh House, Kiang Nangba House, Sngap Singh House and Wycliffe House. The champion team were the Wycliffe House with 820 points, the runners-up were the Sngap Singh House with 630 points, the Tirat Singh House with 500 points came in a 3rd place, followed by the Kiang Nangba House with 470 points.
Ketem bak kular marak don has nong rum hajan dong kuatar kajengai bak nang ne kum ka kerten bak kular ya pi bapin penjob yana bangan warna ya pika karkana sna skuti nabat sna kali hangne hasnong jompi lane lada pin lecya jakari sri ritngau pin shonda kali lane pin lec ya usok krip neso apul syaklau lek beda kali boleh sibur
sembol Shon Hakasyap
jong kataya.
Leaders of the National Nyotra People's Federation NHPF Union on the 9th of January 2023 met with the aim of Millennium and placed their requests before his office to effectuate health and hygiene in Yodo and Temyo Maulong. The President and the General Secretary were disappointed and mentioned that Shillong is known as the capital with proper hygiene, but it is evidentiary that there is a very low maintenance of hygiene in Yodo and Temyo Maulong. The leaders requested the aim of Millennium to provide water taps for people to maintain hygiene, and they had also complained that the flow of filthy water on footways poses danger to people. Further, they requested the shopkeepers to clean the surroundings of the shops they are in, which will contribute to the rejuvenation of Yodo.
Pinong di dokha iskuto itu umtha apa madan dak sudah kada patang banya ikul pi kesentia nang tu ipaiba sim sistem abang ipai kinong di jhor kinong di sasau kisuberat nang tu apa madan ki jhor ki jinjebo berakhaj katu kai kalong ko bampeni tenan nomor ho apa yete kini badi dok siar semi seneng itu ru iskut ko tu wadengiya tentang ngilat itu hi sunir dokha ki thapnyang ki berakhaj ki berat untuk buat madang si berat untuk ki berat patin wan ukso utan katu penkreng ke jinjebo hari ni tentu ba maki ke di ban dak awai ke jimbo ba dasben ke baki ki la man penkuy ane ban kandan ke jingkoi ke jingsubah hang te kayo.
KSU Sidon Unit Ribhoi District on the 9th of January 2023 concluded the Sharpingwell Lingdor Memorial Football Tournament held in Sidon Football Field. The team Yosir backed victory and received 20,000 rupees and Sidon Lumpadeng received 10,000 rupees. Both the teams received trophies from the memorable game. The participants in the event includes Ferdinand Kharkamni, President, North Khasi Hills District as the chief guest, Don Bokstar Rambai, Vice President, family members of late Sharpingwal Lingdo, along with the leaders and members of KSU and spectators from neighboring villages.
Kapong kabau bleu IAP but chisen kasgi ngangai scam ba pin sambi ha ki TV but mangi kinong ilam ke isu ngit pej IAP lemba ki channel ki per lemba ki clock pila kai mapi.
United Democratic Party on the 9th of January 2023 announced the candidates who will contest in the coming MLA elections 2023 from South and North Tura. The General Secretary of UDP, Dr. Jemino Mautho, announced that John Leslie Sangma will stand from South Tura constituency with Dr. Pilni A. Sangma from North Tura constituency. The two candidates were welcomed by the President of UDP, Medba Lingdo, with the presence of the Working President, T.W. Khan, Kermen Shilla and others. Medba Lingdo exclaimed that initially UDP announced 32 candidates and the present number totals to 34 candidates.
That the State Election Committee sat and decided to field one of the ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslie Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pilni Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pilni Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency.
The government of Meghalaya, through the order of the governor, had transferred few police officers in charge of different districts as part of preparation for the coming 2023 elections. The transferred officers includes Dr. Raghavendra Kumar, IPS from 4th Battalion to East Khasi Hills as SP, Sylvester Nongtenger, IPS, SP East Khasi Hills to Police F&ES, Herbert G. Lingdo from West Khasi Hills to Anti-Infiltration Directorate, Vivek's Aim, IPS, SP City to Assistant Inspector General of Police Law and Order, Nangkeo Case Aim, IPS to Assistant Inspector General of Police R, Darwin M. Sangma, MPS as SP West Khasi Hills, Ringrang TG Momin, MPS as SP Shillong City, Perbak Singh Marwen as SDPO Maushan Road, and Penhun Manik's Aim, MPS as SDPO Sora, East Khasi Hills. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.